Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be more birthday challenge entries. I keep saying on every video that I'm gonna do 2 entries in one video, but it ends up going over 10 minutes and I don't want to make my videos so long because I feel like it's just, I don't know. I don't think anybody wants to watch a 15-minute video, so especially just me unboxing stuff. So I want to keep the videos to a minimum, but we're going to attempt to do it today. So I'm going to try to do 2 entries in this video. Wish me luck, you guys, because you guys have been so amazing, sending so much stuff that it's almost impossible to get through a video under 10 minutes with all the stuff you guys are sending me. But wish me luck. This is from Pamela Mendoza. And look at all these pretties that Pamela sent. That's a little note. Here's her little tag flip. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me open up Pamela's notes to see if she has an Instagram. Let me see. I don't think she has an Instagram. Pamela, I don't see any handle here on your note. But if you do, leave me a comment down below. Let me see. No, I don't see. This is a cute little note that she left me. This is so pretty. I don't see any notes of her handle. So if you're watching this video, Pamela, please leave me a comment down below with your handle so I can tag you on the video and my crafty friends can go check you out. So I'll save the tag flip. These are her embellishments. Look how pretty these are. Super chunky. I love it. Look at her little bag topper, you guys. A little puffy butterfly. Why is it, you guys, that I can't speak when I get on camera? I can't even deal. It's a cute little puffy butterfly in gold. It says hello. And look how pretty. And they're super chunky, you guys. And look at this one, kind of like the prize ribbon. Super cute. And she's got like a little butterfly theme going on here. I like it. This is her handmade card. It says happy birthday. And then it says let's celebrate something today. So fun. So that's her card and her embellishments. And then here is her tag flip. How adorable is her tassel. I want to fix her little charm. Wait, how do I do this? Like this, because there's a little charm back here. I want to show you guys. Look how cute. It's an owl. Oh, my hands look ashy. Look how cute. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I love owls. Look at that. That is so pretty and delicate. I love that. So she wrote here, this is so fun. It says the author is Pamela Mendoza, and then she put the date, Crafting with Liller, happy birthday. That is such a good idea. So cute. And then look how cute. It says happy birthday. And there's a bunch of little flowers on it. And the flowers, you guys, you can take them out and use them. Is that not super cute? It's a little pocket. And then right here, she did a little decorative piece with some little foam balloons, a cute little banner. It says birthday party. I love it. And she thicked them all up. I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Ooh. There's a bunch of balloons with the little strings. Birthday mail, you guys, has got to be my favorite. This is so pretty. All the mail that you guys send me, it makes me happy. And this says happy day. And there's this pink little bow. And then look at this one with this little envelope here. And the little frame that she put inside. And it says, sending sunshine your way. And I love that she used these like stitch tags. And look at her gold little eyelets. And look at this one. Wishing you a very happy birthday. The little gift. This is beautiful, Pamela. Look at the little pinwheel. I love the colors. Super delicate. Gorgeous. And then look, she sent me some purple trim. And I think this is her favorite color because she did mention something about, can you tell what's my favorite color? So I think purple is her favorite color. I'm not a big fan of purple. I love lavender though. So like that dark purple is not my thing, but a very light purple like this kind of purple right here, I love it. I think it's so pretty. But that harsh dark purple, let me see if I have anything kind of like almost blue tone purple. It's not my thing at all. This purple right here is the one that I don't like. That kind of purple, no. But lavender, I love it. I think it's so delicate and pretty. But yeah, you guys, this is Pamela's entry. So Pamela, please leave me a message down below letting me know what is your handle so that I can definitely tag you on my video and my crafty friends can go and check you out. Thank you so much for entering and supporting the birthday challenge. And moving on to the next one. Which one should I go to? I'll do this little box right here. So this little box is from Susan Tucker. Hi, Susan. I saw her VR. And my wife fell in love with the paper that she chose because it's so vintage. Look how pretty, you guys. Is that not the cutest? And I wanted to see this so bad in person because she did some glossy accents in certain things and I wanted to see how that looked in person. So let's take everything out. How cute is that? I love Susan's work. So cute. Look at this. Look at this trim. How fun is that? And look at these tags. I love that she like has like this whole little theme going. So cute. Let's put this box aside. And I'll save the tag flip for the end, but let's look at her embellishments. I'm going to put a little piece of tape here because I don't want anything coming out. Look at this, you guys. How pretty is that? The balloons. I have these balloon dies and I'm yet to use them and I want to. I can't wait. I have a bunch of birthday mail to do, so I definitely need to whip out my balloon dies. And you guys are giving me so much inspiration. Look at the little shaker and it's a gift. I love the shake. Look at that. I think I'm going to start using seed beads when I do my shakers because I think it sounds way better than regular sequins. This is so pretty. And look at her card, you guys. Is that not the cutest? I love this paper collection. Let's see. And she made a little separate note so that I can use the card. Thank you, Susan. But look at her card, you guys. And it's like so sturdy. I love it. Let's see. Susan, you're such a blessing as well. I love watching what you create also. So she made me 2 of these and gifted me 2 little doggy balloons, a blue one and a pink one. You hear that shake, you guys? I need me some seed beads in my life because I like the way that shakes way better. And here's her tag flip with this super fun. Oh, there's another dog balloon. Look at this. This is like crepe paper trim. And then there's like all these eyelash trims. How fun is that? I cannot wait to show you guys what my hanger filled with all the tag flips is looking like. Oh, this is what I wanted to see. You guys see that? She added like glossy accents to the eyes so they stand out. And the lips. That is so fun. Look at that. The little earrings. I love that she did that. Little glossy accents on the eyes. So they like, when you move it around. I don't know if you guys can catch that. Look at that. That's so fun. Little flower on her hair. I don't know if I did this the right way. Yeah, I think I went this way. And then, is today your birthday? Or am I partying for no reason? Look how cute. I love that you did that. That looks so cool. Look at this one. It says, it's magic. The second I put it on, it becomes, it's magic. The second I put it on, it becomes a party dress. That is so cute. I love this paper. Wait, I think I'm going the wrong way. I'm lost again. Okay, that's this one right here. From scratch. Why, yes. I scratched the label right off the bakery box. And look at the glitter on the little cake. And she did the glossy accents on all their faces and lips. So cute. And then, yep, we're going this way. Look at that one. How cute is that? I love it. I love it so much. It's so different. It's unique. It screams Susan. I love it. I love seeing you guys work like just your own style, because I feel like I have a little piece of your craft when you guys do that. Like, I don't want you guys to create what you see other people send me. I want you to create your own. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Susan, for entering my challenge. Look at that. I love everything so much. And I think it starts off, I'm not sure where's the starting point here. I think it's this way. Everything is so beautiful. I have to fix this because, yeah, I think it goes like that. Does it go like that? Like this. I think it goes like this. So cute. I love it so much. Those are the entries for this video. Thank you so much, ladies, for entering my challenge, supporting my birthday bash, and being super sweet with the birthday wishes. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.